Over the years, designers have dreamed of easily working with CAD data from clients, no matter what system it was created in. This has technically been feasible for years, but in practice, it has not been easy enough. With improvements over the last few years, it is now much easier to utilize outside data without taking a major hit to the performance of our design. We can also incorporate changes that get pushed to us from our clients with ease. With 3D Interconnect, SOLIDWORKS can now open and maintain the link to many native CAD formats, such as this CATIA file from my customer. Now I can immediately get to work on our design, and I'm not worried about having to redo all my work if any design changes occur.